छाती के दर्द मरने की होल्ड कल कुछ स्टार्ट करना तो कैन बी स्टार्ट total ये echocardiogram जो है 6 years female she is pain in the back 15 years and pain in the limbs 5 years. Look at the bones. Here is no fusion, just severe osteopenia along with osteoporosis, and anyhow there is fusion of the lumbosacral vertebra. This is X-ray lumbo, both knee joints. There was chance to save the giants, but no one is worried that time. We are here in Temargara, Pakistan. क्या ऐसे पेशेंट को विटामिन डी देना चाहिए? किसी ने दिया भी है 2018 में, मैंने नहीं दिया है, क्योंकि हर बंदा विटामिन डी देता है, मुझसे मशवरा भी नहीं करता है पूरी पाकिस्तान में, ख़ासकर सन में, क्योंकि मरीज़ सन से हैं। तो इसका मैंने इको ऐसा किया बग़ैर पैसे की, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा सा मर आया। तो जब मैंने इको किया तो आप लोगों के सामने इको है, तो ऐसे मरीज़ को इन्हेलर देना चाहिए। किसी ने कम्बिवेयर भी रखा है, वेंटोलिन भी दिया है, स्टीरॉयड भी दिया है। तो इन हाउ बिफोर इको मेरा जो डायग्नोसिस था आफ्टर इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड एग्जामिनेशन, प्रीमेच्योर ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, टाइम से पहले हड्डी का सिकुड़ हो जाना, बायलेटरल ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस एंड लंबोसेक्रल वर्टेब्रे फ्यूजन, age and critical bone sunshine vitamin deficiency, not using 1000 to 7000 units of bone vitamin. or not use sunlight direct on the exposed skin in summer. So the parathyroid hormone increase remove the calcium from the bones. So the calcium become weak, the bone become weak. They lead to weakness of the bones. Some people suffering of fracture, जैसे इस मरीज का फ्रैक्चर भी हुआ है, pain in the back, in the joints, and the patient age is 60 but no 30, teeth missing, and generalized body ache and loss of hearing because the ossicle become weak. Magnesium deficiency because the bone vitamin absorb the calcium. When the calcium bone vitamin become depressed, decrease the parathyroid hormone increase, so magnesium absorption decrease. Also in the hypovitaminosis D, magnesium deficiency lead a lot of problem, burning soles and headache and sweating and depression in us. Vestibular nerve become weak, so hearing loss, and vestibular nerve become weak, so vertigo, constipation, aggressive mood, depression, and some people trying to suicide, some people trying to homicide, and anorexia, loss of weight. And the more shameful thing for the country of Pakistan, because the bone vitamin when decrease, the zinc is not absorbed, so they lead to hypovitaminosis D, and the immune system become depressed, so we are suffering tuberculosis and corona and allergy and the autoimmune system stimulation, and they lead to diabetes mellitus and multiple malignancies. Because that was the Fenson. I am worried why we suffering of asthma in the Pakistan, why we suffering of tuberculosis, because that was the Fenson who was awarded the Nobel Prize, who was treated the lupus vulgaris first with just phototherapy, who was awarded Nobel Prize. This is the evidence. This is the evidence one can see. Look at the pictures. These are the people. Anyhow, there were no direct sunlight on the skin of aswabi calf, and one should be exposed in the male 1/3 of the lower limb to the skin. If that skin is covered by cloth, that will be not go to Jannat. إن وَلَلَّذِينَ هَادُوا هَرَمَنَا كُلَّ ذِي ظُفُرٍ وَمِنَ الْبَكَرِ وَالْغَنَمِ حَرَمْنَا عَلَيْهِمْ شُحُومَهُمْ إِنَّمَا حَمَلَ الزُّهُورُ. So the whole world, I am challenging all the American why there is heart attack, why there is joint pain, why there is diseases, because these are the ultraviolet B rays on the skin when hit the 7-dihydrocholesterol, they change to cholecalciferol, and the cholecalciferol absorb the calcium for the bone, absorb the magnesium, and the magnesium deficiency lead to these problems. And they absorb proper not use of zinc, so the immune system depressed, so is suffering of corona. And when the 7-dihydrocholesterol not hit by the ultraviolet B rays, that converted to cholesterol and lead to hyperlipidemia, which is number 1 cause of death in the world. And when the bone vitamin decrease, the parathyroid hormone increase to fulfill the requirements of the body, so they for the calcium, so they remove the calcium from the bones, so the bone become weak, and we suffering of body aches, pain back in the joints, teeth loss, hearing loss, because the ossicle becomes soft. In the presence of parahyperthyroidism, secondary to hypovitaminosis D, increased excretion of the calcium from the bones, increased excretion of the calcium from the renal tubule, they lead to renal stone. Anyhow, the bone density decreased at age of 16, and osteoporosis started at the age of 45 years in the female and 60 years in the male. Unfortunately, there is good words from Patan. Sureshwe, anyhow, the sun rises from the east and they go to the west and not go come back. When so the earth is the same, sunlight is the same. The angle of the sun is the same. The earth is contaminated due to मतलब ज़मादार है चिदा मरीज़ द कराची दे द वीडियो बज़ कराची तलेगम ज़मा मतलब दारे चिनवर आगा शांतरे ज़मा का आगा शांतदान वर आगा शांत ज़मा का गंदा शवी दी इंसानानु द वजना او د بلډینګونو د وجې نه. او اینی هاو پښتنو ستاسو دپاره غرمو ته کښېنئ او کوچو څه خورئ او ګدا نه کوئ نو ټول عمر به د ضلالت زندګي تېروئ. کورونه د نور نه ګل چاپېر د سپین حلقې ته وایي. الله نارضا شه چې تاسو زما جوړونه وران کړه. په هغه جوړونو کې به ملامبل وړو څوک کرکټک ماشومان نه وو. خلکو کې جامې انځلې، اوبه به پکې څښلې، مال به پکې څښلې، جوړونه یې ټیکو او جوړ یې هم ټیکو. اوس یې جوړ په خیر هم نشي کولی. لکه وایي ورانه مې دوسه، وایي جوړه مې وله رانه واسطه. اوکے تھینک یو. ځکه دا ډوکویټا من داسې مثال ہے لکه چا کې چې کمی او جان بوجھ کر په ولا نشکر وایي. نو زما د ټولې دنیا څخه په دې اختلاف دی چې د تودو غرمو په پوستکي باندې د نه ارتلو د وجې نه د صحت څه مسلې په دنیا کې راځي. دا اوس زه نه منم. اوکې تھینک یو. السلام علیکم.